Everyone, good morning. Jai Sri Durga Ma. So right now I am just in front of the IT ground Durga Pandal, which is located in Kalyani. So it is one of the most beautiful pandal in all over the Kolkata, and more tourists and visitors are coming to visit this pandal from Kolkata city, and it is 50 kilometers away from the Kolkata to Kalyani. So I took the train and I came here to visit this pandal. So let's see the view of this pandal. So really I also got a very good experience in this pandal, and if and let's go to get me all over the pandal from the inside, and the idol of the goddess Durga and all over the goddess of Lakshmi, Saraswati and Kali. So bolo Ambe Mat ki jai, Jai Shri Durga.
So let's see, this is the showcase of the Wat Arun temple from the Bangkok, which is the capital city of the Thailand. So in this year 2024 they took the design of Wat Arun temple from the Bangkok, Thailand. So even right now I am at the ITI Mode Durga Puja ground, fair ground, which is located in Kalyani, Kolkata, which is 50 kilometers away from the Sialda. So I took that train from the Sialda and I came here at the Kalyani station. So the view of this pandal is also so unique and so amazing, and I'm also feeling so great after coming to watching this pandal. And even the view of this pandal, the theme of this pandal is Luminous Club has taken and showing the showcase, and the theme of the Arun pandal is Bangkok Wat temple, and in 2024 after the Petron's Twin Tower and the Grand Lisboa in previous 2 years. So the structure of is 160 foot in height, and the legs of seashells are being used to decorate the interiors. So the pandal interiors was made by the seashells of the legs of the seashells. So it is also a very good and amazing things, and I'm also going to show slowly because I have to go from inside also to see and looks the decoration from the inside of the ITI Mode Durga Puja ground pandal. So I am also so excited to go inside, and many more persons and devotees are always coming from the every cities, from every places in Kolkata and Habra to see and watch the pandal. This is the ITI Mode Durga Puja pandal 2024. So bolo Sri Ambe Mat ki jai. Even before that I also visited so many pandals and visit. Before that I was also in Chetla. So in Chetla I have also visited the Chetla Agrani Club pandal, which is one of the most popular pandal, which is decorated and shows they depict Ganga Aarti and the issues of Ganga pollution of Kashi Banarsi and the showcase of the Kashi Vishnath. So let's see, I am going inside. From the close we can see how it is the view. Really it's looking so unique. We can see the view of this place pandal, which is located in Kalyani ground, ITI field. So I am going and I am also so excited, and I will check the place of goddess. I think inside this pandal goddess idols is also so unique. Definitely if pandal is so beautiful, so maybe definitely. So I just came inside from the entrance gate. So this is the corridor inside the plan to go, and we can see the all over the seashells are visible clearly from here. This is the idol of Lord Ganesha also made on the wall of the interior of this pandal, and even on the wall of the interior of this pandal also decorated with so many god and goddess idols such as the Sri Krishna, Sri Ram, Lord Vishnu, Mahalakshmi, Mahakali, along with the Gautam Buddha and so Ganesha. So below Sri Ambe Mat ki jai. So this is the main idols of the god and goddess inside this temple of the Sri Ma Durga, Kali, Mahalakshmi, Mahagauri, Mahasaraswati and the Ganesha and Kartikeya, along with Mahishasur. So let's see, I just came out and see the place of goddess, and I just came out. So let's see and let's chant together with me the goddess mantra. One of the most popular and powerful mantra is Sarv Mangal Mangale Shive Sarva Sadhike Sarvamam Ke Gauri Narayani Namastute Ya Devi Sarvbhutesu Shakti Rupene Samstita Namaste Namaste Namo Namah. सर्वमंगल मांगले शिवे सर्व साधिके सर्वमम के गौरी नारायणी नमस्तुते या देवी सर्वभूतेषु शक्ति रूपेण संस्थिता नमस्ते नमो नमः. So I also got a very good experience from here, and I took the 1 hour from the Sialda to here to reach and cover the 50 kilometer journey with the local ordinary train. And even local ordinary train is the best way to come to visit this ITI More ground Durga Puja Pandal. And it is a very cheap. I took the ticket of only 15 rupees. I paid for local ordinary train, and on every 1 hour this train is available from Kotla to Kalyani from Sialdah. So I also got a very good experience about the local trains and ordinary trains in Kolkata and Habra. At every 5 minutes it is available for every parts of the city, from everywhere, from Habra to Sialdah, Sialdah to Kolkata, and Kolkata to some another railway station also, which is a major and minor railway stations inside the city of Kolkata. So still I have to visit one pandal, Sri Bhumi Supporting Club Pandal, which is also one of the most popular design of the Tirupati Balaji temple, and previous year which was decorated like a Puri Jagannath temple, and this Tirupati Balaji temple. So today definitely I am also planning to go there in night time, because it is the best time to visit the pandals during the night time, and this pandal is so far from the city, so that reason I came during the daytime. So bolo Sri Ambe Mat ki Jai. So I am also feeling so excited to explore all over the city, and still I have to explore the Victoria Memorial, Kali Ghat temple, and the William Fort, which was the first British fort built by the Britishers. And then I have to also visit the Dakshineshwar Kali temple, which is dedicated to Mother Kali, along with the Belur Math, which is dedicated to Swami Vivekananda and Ramkrishna Paramhans and Sarda Ma. So bolo Sarda Ma, and it is the land of the Swami Vivekananda also, who was born under Narendranath Datta. So bolo Sri Swami Vivekananda ki Jai. Jai Sri Swami Vivekananda, Jai Sri Ramkrishna Paramhans, Jai Ma Sarda Ma. So my request and my prayers to all of the great personalities from Kolkata. Once again, thank you so much.